Hi guys, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are newer, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. So for today's video, I am going to do a first impression of one of the, let's say, purses that I have unboxed a few weeks ago. So I'm going to put the unboxing just right there and also in the description down below so you can check it out. So what I'm going to show you is really what I think about this product and why, in short, I bought it and what are the things that I have added to it. So if you want to see more, just stay tuned. Okay, so today I am going to show you the, let's say, the discontinued and the most searched product from Louis Vuitton, which is none other than the Toiletry Pouch 26. So here it is. This is how it looks like. So just to show you, it came in this box. So it's a rectangular slim box. So I actually purchased this toiletry pouch at the boutique here in Belgium. So just few things. So as you can see, this is the biggest of the trifecta of the toiletry pouches. There's the toiletry pouch 15, so that's the size 15, then the size 19 and the size 26. So 26 meaning 26 centimeters here at the bottom for the size. And like I've mentioned earlier, this product is unfortunately has been discontinued from Louis Vuitton website and I think also at the boutique. So if those of you who are still interested to have this, go check your boutiques if they still have some in stock. So that is the only place that you can still find them brand new, or else on the second-hand market. But yeah, so just going to show you how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the canvas, of course, canvas material. And what I like about this one is that it is made with just one leather, which means that, as you can see in here, the logo LV is you know, correctly in front of you. And then if I turn it out, as you can see, it's a one whole leather, well, one whole canvas, because if I just turn it like this, you will see in here that the LV is on the other way around. So there you go. And this particular one is, well, was made in France. Short story, before it was continued on the website, at first I wasn't really keen on purchasing this toiletry pouch. To be honest, I purchased this because YouTube and Instagram made me do it. Yeah, they made me do it because at first I was really just thinking of this piece as a toiletry pouch, like the name itself. And then I saw a lot of videos and then also on Instagram that you can also transform this as a clutch and as a handbag as well as a crossbody. I'm going to show that to you afterwards. So yeah, like I've mentioned, it was YouTube and Instagram that made me buy this pouch, and I am quite happy that I did that, knowingly now that these pouches are unfortunately been discontinued. And then another thing is, at that time when I wanted to buy it online, a lot of let's say pouches that I've seen that has been unboxed online are made in Spain. I have no issues with whatsoever with made in Spain. I think the craftsmanships are great, but well, you know, I like it when the product is made from the country where it's originally from. So that's why I've asked my SA and I've asked her if she has a Toiletry Pouch 26 that was made in France. And that was the case, so she put this on the site for me and I pick it up there. Another thing as well is I have purchased this a few weeks back, and this one still has the you know, the serial number. So this one still, I think it has been made during the first trimester of 2021, so doesn't have those chip or whatsoever, which in a certain way I'm glad, because I'm still be able to check when and where. Well, where I know it's made in France, but at least when was it exactly made. So yeah, and then just going to show you inside. So when you open like this, inside is, it came with a dust bag, of course. So when I'm keeping it, I put the dust bag inside and I just left some paper so that it's, you know, it's not flattened. And then inside is just, you know, this let's say wipeable material inside, since it's a toiletry pouch. It doesn't have any zipper or whatsoever inside, so it's really just this normal toiletry pouch. So this one, like I have mentioned, I have bought it because there are some alternatives that I can do with it. And one of the things that made me buy this is that I can, of course, turn it into a clutch. So clutch means that I can put it under my arm and so on. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing that made me want to have purchase this is just going to show you. 1 second. Where it is? Yeah, in here. So I've purchased something internationally, and it's been a while that I have received this, and this is just the first time I'm opening it with you guys, so it's a live unboxing as well. Oh, I don't need this pair of scissors. So okay, up and up. And I really wanted to have this because I want something that I know will be strong enough and durable, and I've heard a lot of great stuff with this brand. So, and this one is from Samorga. So yeah, I bought an insert from Samorga. So there's a thank you letter from them. How sweet. And it's mentioned, thank you for shopping at Samorga. We hope that you love our products. We hope our organizers change your bag fresh and new every day. So they are 100% handmade. They are made in South Korea from 100% South Korean materials. And they have different thickness available. I think the one that I took was 2 millimeters. And just to let you know, this is not a paid promotion or whatsoever, but I do have a 20% discount. If you buy something from Samorga, you can use a 20% discount that I am going to put in the description down below, so you can check it out. So if you want to buy something and take advantage of the 20%, you can put my discount code. I do not receive anything from it. It's just for you guys. I'm sharing it with you so that you can take advantage of a 20%. Cool, right? So this is the product. So I'm just opening it, and wow, nice. Okay, so just going to open it here. There we go. And I took the color. I forgot, to be honest, the color that I took. I'm going to put, anyways, all the details in the description down below, so you know what is the color that I took as well. So it has some bubble wrap, and then some information, Samorga, wipe off spills immediately, etc, etc. And I took this color because I think that it goes well with the toiletry pouch. And this one has the D-rings on the side, as you can see here, and then inside you have two small pouches and a big one, and then you have the brand Samorga here. And I wanted to buy the one in Samorga because I think it will be a lot more durable than the one that are purchased, well, that are sold through Amazon. And secondly, this is, you know, they are the ones, the first one who created Insert. So it's been since 2010, so it's been 11 years that they are in the market. And also the thing that I really wanted, why I wanted one from Samorga, is because of this length, and I will show you why. So when I open the toiletry pouch, so I'm going to put the insert here, as you can see, just like that. Okay, so sorry that you cannot see it, but I'll show it to you afterwards. So I'm just putting the insert, so it's quite tight, but it's okay, that's good. And once it's inside, I'm just going to show you, I don't know, I hope that you can see it. So it's quite tight inside, and due to that, it keeps the shape of the toiletry pouch, so that is good. And then the reason, like I mentioned to you, why I wanted the one from Samorga is because, as you can see in here, this D-ring is quite high, so it will not, you know, be a hassle when I put the keychain, well, the chain on it. So once that's done, I'm just going to close it, and I have bought two things so I can use this pouch as a handbag as well as a crossbody. So I'm just going to show you those two chains. Just the second one that I got is this chain, and this is a, you know, a rectangular chain. This one I bought it from AliExpress. I think it was less than 2 or 3 euros, so it's really inexpensive. And I also bought an additional, you know, an additional ring, so it has 2 rings like that, and I will put it on the side in here. I hope that you can see it. And then wait a second, up like that, and with this way and there you go, there you have it. So when I close this, the zipper, up, there we go. When I close it, it's either like this, and you have it as a handbag. Cool, huh? And then another thing as well, this can be a, you know, a chain design, because I have ordered from Louis Vuitton, and I also have unboxed it a few while ago. The unboxing is just right there, and I will also put it in the description down below. And it is actually the, sorry, the 16mm strap, Monogram strap. And if I put this on, let's say, on one of the rings, just like so, you will see the result, and it will look like so. I hope that you can see it. And then I can put it as a crossbody. So I can use it as a clutch, as a handbag, and as a crossbody bag. So I really like the fact that this is it became a multi-purpose pouch that became a handbag, clutch, and crossbody bag. So those were the reasons why I finally purchased this pouch, and I'm really happy that I did so, most especially this last few weeks when we heard that Louis Vuitton was discontinuing this product. So for those of you who are still in the hunt and was debating at first you would like to buy this, as a first impression, to be honest, I totally say go for it. If you can still go to your boutique and they still have them in stock, get one. And if ever you do not like it whatsoever, you can always sell it afterwards, right? So yeah, there you go. So that was my first impression review about this toiletry pouch. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different from the ones that other reviews that I've done in the past, but yeah, just let it flow. So if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, well, at least the video, a thumbs up. If you have some feedback or other requests or whatsoever, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. And for those of you who are subscribed and came back just to watch this video, thank you very much. And for those of you who are new and who aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that way you can get notified every time I upload a brand new review or unboxing video. So I hope to see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.